Starting with the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Respectable sir and all my dear friends, I greet you with Assalamu alaikum. Today my speech topic is education. My dear friends, education is a weapon. Education is that thing which is guiding us. Education is telling us way that which thing is good, which thing is wrong. Education is everything for the human beings. Now see, Allah Almighty had created many things in this world. Allah Almighty had sent us as Ashraf al Makhluqat. Why? Because of the education. Because we have education, we can get, we can teach, we can improve ourselves, and we can remove the bad things, bad habits, bad kind of the people we can remove. For that, Allah Almighty had sent us as Ashraf al Makhluqat. You know that what is difference between human and the animals? That is, nothing is different without education. Human has education, human can get education, and animal cannot get education. Animal cannot be away from the bad things because it has no mind for that. Animals cannot know that how to where it should go, and a person who is educated, he knows. You know that uneducated is also like the human being. Why we are saying, or people are saying that uneducated is as like the animal, and educated person is the pillar of the nation, pillar of the society, and everything, and educated is everything for the society, for the nation. Uneducated person, he cannot do anything, and educated person can do everything. Uneducated person will always do bad habits, bad things. His mind will be on the bad habits. Educated person, if he is doing any wrong thing or any bad thing, he will learn for that thing. He will solve. He will find the solution of that bad habit. That what should I do? What I have to do for that bad habit, for bad thing, for removing these bad things. Because he has education, he will take benefit from the education. Then he will remove the bad habits. He will remove the bad things from the society. You know that those countries are being successful. Those countries are being increasing their knowledge, their society is increasing. Educated, who are educated. You know that who were scientists. Scientists were also the educated. They were always thinking for the society. They were. Now see, if a person who is uneducated, he will be set for fighting. If he is facing any difficulty or any problem, he will be agree to fight. He will be agree to solve the problem by the help of guns, by the help of weapons. But who is educated, he will fight with the nip of the pen. He will fight with the power of the pen, power of the education. Then he will be also successful. Uneducated, he will be decreased his blood. He will be decreased the people. He will do harmness, damage of society. That is the difference between uneducated and the educated person. Another thing is educated and uneducated. You know that if a teacher who is educated, who is spreading knowledge, he will get more knowledge. He will get more knowledge. He will get more respect from the society. Who is uneducated? Why not he is the prime minister? Why not he is whatever he is? His destination is but he will not get as much respect whatever a teacher can get because of the education, because he is showing the light for the society. He is giving shadow to the society. He is giving way to the society, better way for the future. Our teachers are, because of the education, because they are teaching, they are giving us education, and they are spreading knowledge, they are spreading those things which are beneficial for the society. And who are junkies, who are bad peoples, they are uneducated, they are called uneducated. Why not they are educated? If they are not taking action, they are not doing those things whatever they learned, means they are educated bore. Educated bore. They would not be called as the educated person. I mean is that whatever we are learning or whatever we are teaching, we have to teach correctly with sincerely, and we have to learn with sincerity. Whenever we will learn with sincerity, and we will teach with sincerity, our society will be better and best, and bad habits, bad things will be removed from our society. We all would be called as educated, and our nation will progress in this way. That is the only way which we can get, that is called education. So these were my points which were shared by me.